Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Omar from Arrow Recipe, and today's topic we're gonna be talking about CG dropshipping. What is CG dropshipping? Is it better than AliExpress? How is the shipping times? How to find winning products with CG dropshipping? Everything you need to know about CG dropshipping will be revealing in this video.
Just a little bit off topic, but have you read the news recently? Alibaba challenges Amazon on fastest global shipping. Alibaba has challenged Amazon by pledging to provide fastest deliveries from China to any part of the world within 72 hours. This is gonna be huge for us. Anyways.
And as always, at the end of the video, we'll be revealing some winning products that you can actually go and test yourself. So I really recommend that you stay along till the end of the video. You're gonna find a lot of value. Any confusion you might have with CG dropshipping will be cleared out. How to list a product, how to fulfill an order, how to find products. Everything you need to know is in this video.
Alright, so let me introduce you to CG dropshipping. This is the website. You're gonna go to cjdropshipping.com, and the first thing you're gonna do is, if you don't have an account, you're gonna register. Pretty straightforward. You're just gonna fill in your details and it's gonna create an account for free for you. The next thing you want to do after you create an account, you're gonna have to connect your store, whether you sell on Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, ShipStation, any other API. You can connect it to your WordPress, for example, Lazada, Shopee. All of these options are available. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna do Shopify. Alright, as you can see, you can connect multiple stores, and the way you do this is just simply pressing add store, and you're just gonna type the Shopify URL, the one that ends with .myshopify.com, and you're gonna click authorize. Once you've done that, it will automatically connect your store to CG dropshipping. Now we go back to here. Let me tell you more about CG. First of all, the way I look at CG dropshipping is it's more of a sourcing rather than testing products and starting with it. So my approach with CG dropshipping is I will basically start testing the product with AliExpress, and then source the product that is already selling for me from CG dropshipping. Let's actually do that right now. I'm gonna go to aliexpress.com. Alright, so say for example I found this product really interests me and I think it's gonna be winning product. I tested, I sourced it from AliExpress, I tested in my store, and then I really found some success with it. I found some good, decent sales. So now I want to take my dropshipping to the next level. I want to have a better customer service, have a better shipping times. So the way you're gonna do this is just basically by sourcing it from CG dropshipping. It's taking a lot of time loading, so let me show you actually how to do that here in CG. Okay, so you're gonna press on sourcing. As you can see, I have already sourced so many products in the past. Anyway, so you go to AliExpress, take the link, copy it, and then post a sourcing request. Alright, so you're gonna put the link here, and you're gonna want to upload a photo of the product. Alright, so it looks like it's not letting me download it as a PNG. So I'll show you a trick on how to do that. You're gonna right click here and press on search Google for image. It's gonna load up in Google, and you're gonna find the exact same photo from Google. Just simply download it from here. Right, let's put it in the desktop. Okay, so now we have the photo, we have the URL. We're gonna upload it here, load it here. You're gonna select the product category. Let's just say it's home improvement, and the title, we can take it from AliExpress. Just say 180 IP camera. Okay, so we saw this product, for example, on AliExpress as $18 up to $35. So we're gonna go here and set our target price somewhere in between, let's say like $20. And where are you shipping your product to? For this example, let's go with US. All right, and you're gonna select drop shipping, not bulk purchase. Leave that empty for now, and then we're gonna press submit. All right, it allows you to post 7 requests per day. Actually, that's pretty fair. You're not gonna need a bunch of requests at the beginning. You're gonna hit confirm. So now it's submitted. It's gonna show pending in 24 hours, or even like sometimes it takes 2 days, and you're gonna have this message here: sourcing succeeded, and you have the product in your CJ dashboard, and you can simply connect it to your store. Alright, so that is for the sourcing. Now let's actually explore CJ and what can we do with it. The good thing with CJ, because it's it's a sourcing agent, it will show you the listing, the number of listings, how many people have used actually listed this product in their Shopify store. So basically that tells me the more the people have sourced this product, it means that it's selling well for them. But you have to be careful with that as well. So you don't go for a product that has been like listed 1,000, 100 or 100 times. You should look for something in between. So let's do that, for example, in a niche that you want to sell in. Let's go for example for bags and shoes. For example, you're running a fashion store and you are looking for some trending products to list in your store and run ads to. So you're gonna choose the niche, and it's automatically sorted by this match, but that's not what we want. We want to sort it by lists. All right. So once you press that, it's gonna show you the highest number of lists for the items. Like it's gonna be sorted from the most competitive ones, and it goes down in that manner. So as I mentioned, you don't want to go for something like this. This is probably too saturated and you cannot make a dime with it. So I would go personally, scroll down a little bit and look for something that catches your eye. It looks good. You think it is gonna look good in the Facebook ads, in the news feed. So this, for example, looks interesting, and it has around 300 lists. So we're gonna press that, have a look. Okay, so as you can see, you can see a bunch of styles that you can choose from, and warehouse, sometimes they have different warehouses. If they have stores in US, you're gonna find the option here, and the platform, you're gonna go with Shopify. And then this is the most interesting part about CJ. There's shipping options. You have a lot of shipping options with really fast times, and I honestly love it. I have tried it for my stores, and it works really well. I've never received any complaints from my customers. Shipping is late, unlike with AliExpress. So here we can see, for example, if you want to go even with USPS, it's gonna just cost you $12, and your customer will get it in around 7 to 10 days. That's perfect, honestly. So you can select that option and keep it marked, and you're gonna go to list. That's how you list the product in your store. So if you're like me, you have multiple stores, you're gonna select which one you want to list it in, and then you select the type of the product, whatever it is, and the collection. If you don't have your own collection, you can create it here. Vendor, you can just simply type in CJ or whatever, it doesn't show anyways. So, and then you're gonna mark up the price with your profit margins. So here it tells you the total price, that total dropshipping cost including the shipping is $18. So for example, for this product, I can say that, for example, $39.99 would be a fair price. And that's it. You just press list now and you're good to go. You have it in your Shopify store with their description. Of course, you're gonna go there and edit your description, make it custom, make it more appealing. Don't take the manufacturer description and just copy it and paste it. It's not gonna work. You know for a fact that you have to make it more interesting and appealing to your customer. Give them more reasons why to buy it, not just the manufacturer specifications. Alright, so we're done with the listing part. Now let's say, for example, you have an order and you want to fulfill it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're gonna press on My CJ. It's gonna open up your dashboard, your stores, your sales and everything. So you're gonna go to Dropshipping Center. You're gonna go to Imported Orders, and you're gonna search for the orders in your store and press search. So whatever orders you have in your store and the item is listed from CJ Dropshipping is gonna show up here. And once you've done that, you should go to Dropshipping Orders and just simply select buy the product and pay for it, and you're done. You don't have to worry about anything. CJ will handle the shipping and everything. And even if you have any question about orders or whatever, the good thing with the CJ, they have a live chat whenever you want to. You can just simply click here and talk to an agent that can guide you on whatever you need 24/7. So yeah, I just clicked the button and someone actually replied. So that's another good thing about CJ.
So that is, guys, the CJ dropshipping in a nutshell. It's pretty straightforward, very simple. You basically use it to source the products. Once you have a proven product that you already tested with AliExpress, you've got a couple of orders, you know for a fact that it's gonna sell well more when you scale your ads. Supplier that you can depend on and have a better shipping times, better customer service, and provide value to your customer rather than just selling a product and they have to wait for 50 days or 30 days with AliExpress. And the good thing is you can take your brand to the next level. You can chat with a private agent on CJ Dropshipping, can discuss even branding and private label of the product. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, as I promised, there will be a winning product reveal in this video. And let me actually show you my personal winning product in June, and feel free to jump on that product and sell it yourself.
So if you are lucky and watching this video, this is my winning product in June 2021. I'm selling it until now. Feel free to copy the exact same product, create a Shopify store today and sell this product. I'm telling you, it's proven, it's selling, and the profit margin are honestly insane in this product. The product cost is $31, but with the shipping, because it's electronics and you get 12-day shipping, it will come up to a total of $50. We were selling this product for $100, so that's a $50 profit margin, pure profit margin, and proved product. So feel free to duplicate the exact same product and use it in your store and start selling.
If you want the link to that product that I just showed you, and the proven winner that I sold in June, just comment below ROA and I'm gonna send you the link directly to you. And as always, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and see you in the next one.